You may be shocked at what I'm going to tell you, but it's a fact that small businesses in Africa don't plan. Well, I've not traveled outside Africa. I'm born in Africa, so I can speak to Africa. All right? Remember to press the like button and subscribe for more engaging sessions, okay? Good. So, small businesses in Africa, they don't plan. And you see, the small ones, the few ones of this small business that plan are those that are successful. Should I mention them? You know them already. The one who started small real estate renting in your Ghana, he's now owning a real estate farm, enterprise real estate firm. The one who started small agricultural enterprise is now owning one of the biggest poultry. It's about planning. And you see, everything in this world, including business, it's about planning. And I'm sure you know this adage that if you fail to plan, you definitely plan to fail. And planning your business is not just something fancy. You see, it's not just something fancy. It's not that you feel that they say when you want to start a business, you should plan. So you just have to plan. No, that isn't that. It's mandatory. It's something that is necessary. It's something that is necessary. And more business that I consult with that are struggling, especially, for all you know, you go in there, they didn't plan. So there's this pure water business that I was working with, and upon doing the assessment, checking why the business is feeling those things, I asked relevant question and realized that the business structure is not well defined. How do you define a business structure? You define a business structure by planning. You know where to go, what is going wrong. You know what to hit when sales volumes falls. You know what to do when sales volumes rises. You know how to push where to where. And that is about building structures. That's about planning the operations of your business. So you sell, you do importation. That's all. So, I do importation. If you need something from China, just tell me. Yeah, you are doing business. But you're not doing business the right way. It's true. You are doing business. I am so passionate about helping your business succeed. I want your business to succeed. Are you going to give me some of the money? You are not going to give me some of the money. But you see, I'm so passionate about it because when your business succeeds, mine will also grow. Mine will also grow. Because at the end of the day, you are going to click the subscribe button. At the end of the day, you are going to click the like button. And you're definitely going to help mine too to grow. And that's why I want your business to succeed. And that's why I want you to plan your business. Planning is simple. Putting together what to do next, at which point in time, who to talk to, where to raise finance, where to sell your product, what risk can my business be exposed to. And when my business is exposed to risk, what are some of the things that I'm going to do? It's about assessing your business's strength, all right, the opportunities that is available to your business, the threats that your business may face. You see, so the whole structure of planning, you see, it's just simple. The whole structure of planning is just simple. It's looking at the internal factors, all right? Seeing how that can affect your business, that can create opportunity for your business. And then looking at the external factors and how that external factors may affect your business or may present opportunities for your business. Don't forget to click the like button. This is Simple Finance of Clement. You see, so every business, every African business that is not planning is not succeeding. No matter the size. No matter the size, whether it's big, it is small, no matter the size. Every single business in Africa that is failing, you do the complete assessment, you do the complete check, you do the complete operational audit, and you realize that the business is not planning. Some business, you see, some business don't even plan their growth. Okay, so the growth that is expected to make their business grow sometimes kills their business. I know someone who never planned scaling up his business, and when the time came that the business needed to scale up, the business was collapsing because the demand on the business was too much that it cannot supply. Then is growth even good at all? Plan your business. And this is why, and many other more, African businesses are collapsing. Remember to click the like button and subscribe for more.